Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can get extra points on your Bigo Live. To do so, first of all, open up your Bigo Live app on your Android smartphone. And now as the app opens up, you will be on the live page of your Bigo Live. From here on out, go on to Me, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. If you go on to Me, it will take you to your profile, and here you can see an option for Task Center. If you go on to Task Center, you can see that you need to check in daily to help you gain experience, free gifts, bullet skins, and many more. Here's an option for check-ins, live passes, and diamond missions as well. You can complete all of these missions on your Bigo Live to help you gain more points on your Bigo Live app. And that's how you can gain extra points on your Bigo Live app. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.